अरे ये बेहोश हो रहा है क्या रजत? So we are leaving this hotel. We were staying here, Hotel Tulsi Palace. It was near to all monuments and sightseeing. It was a nice, affordable room, but the ventilation was very bad. We are leaving for Bhangar Fort. It's around 6:30 in the morning. So we have left for Bhangar Fort and it's freezing cold out here. 6:30 in the morning, as I told you. Goodbye to this lovely city. What a memorable trip it was. The weather is so cold, my hands are freezing. हाथ जम गए रजत, कैसा हाल है भाई?
It's so cold, bhai. It's so cold.
Our hands are freezing cold.
Mine are numbs.
I can't feel them. अरे ये बेहोश हो रहा है क्या रजत? Rajat was about to faint back there. We need to find a fireplace really soon. Our hands are numb. Luckily found this fireplace. The fort is still 70 to 75 kilometers away from here. आराम से भाई जल जाएगा. हर्ष एकदम आग के अंदर हाथ डाल रहा है. So I think it's enough and we shall continue with the ride. I hope you can see it. The view is so beautiful.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
These puppies are not the reason we have stopped here. Rajat की बाइक का टायर पंचर हो गया है. I saw the tire. We didn't have enough air. I want them and ride them. उसी टाइम टायर पंक्चर हो गया. टायर बिल्कुल फट गया था उसी टाइम पर. So we have decided कि मैं यहाँ से आगे जाकर देखूंगा कि कोई शॉप मिल जाए जो टायर फिक्स कर दे. So let's go find someone who can fix it. ये टायर पंचर हो गया.
बाइक चलानी नहीं आती.
टायर पंचर कर दिया. Shout out to Shivam Rentals for providing this. नोट दूसरा पक्का. Thank you. चलो चले.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Finally reached Bhangar Fort. So this guy is collecting the parking ticket. This sure looks eerie as hell. Definitely looks like a horror movie. The whole area is so deserted and इसके बीच में ये fort है. So here's a temple, Hanuman Mandir. I have read a lot of stories that people who were attacked by ghosts वो यहाँ पर आके छुप गए थे and they were rescued somehow. I don't know if they are true or not. तो यहाँ से भी fort बहुत दूर है.
अच्छा हनुमान मंदिर था ना.
So let's quickly take you there. It was really a long walk till we reached the fort entrance. But when we reached there, it was the creepiest place I had ever seen in my life. तू भी चलेगा भाई? आजा.
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets, some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out. I walked into the flames, called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town.
मिला भाई?
नहीं यार कुछ नहीं मिला।
है नहीं चाहिए।
पर वाइट कपड़े वहाँ थे पूरे, वाइट बहुत था, वहाँ पिलो थे और
It was not scary at all.
but they were white pieces of clothes and pillows that were white of white color.
The fort was fucking destroyed, but it is damn amazing. So let's just leave from here.
And now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. And now I know my heart is a ghost town.
So finally we covered Bhangar Fort. It was on the top of our bucket list, and even though the fort was totally destroyed, it was so beautiful. I think everyone should visit it once. So let's carry on our journey.
Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day and every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
So we haven't eaten anything this morning, and we have stopped here. Aloo. I really like this place.
Every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stick, I'll be watching you.
Our trip was fantabulous. No motor suck.
Shiva Motors
So
suck.
if you ever
They were forcefully making us
write a good review.
write a good review and give them 5 stars.
So now we're gonna go home and give them 0 stars and get back the revenge.
So friends, I'm going. Dada, this is my destiny. Bye.
Bye bye तो कर दो. निकल. Get lost man, get lost. Now headed to India Gate to officially end our journey.
So hi guys.
Hey guys,
We are signing off the trip right now. We are at India Gate.
we are officially ending the trip.
Yes.
It has been a great experience for all of us. बोले तो बहुत मज़ा आ गया.
It was so good. So cold in the morning, but somehow we managed to come here by on the time, and now we are going
Managed to return the bike on time.
Yes, it was a challenge for us to come on the time.
Big challenge.
Yes.
So stay tuned for more,
Yeah.
and we're signing off.
Every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day and every word you say,